Oh, falling back into the bed. There's Rosie. Oh, well, he was relaxing. Where did he need to get up for? Oh, thanks so much for look at me. Look at the state of this, honestly. Oh. Morning, everybody. First cup of the day. Well, actually, it's my second, but yeah. Oh, lovely. Cracking on with the first bed. The plastic. Oh, I did have a nice chat with my neighbour, and they had raised beds here, so I think the plastic is wherever there was a raised bed. I'll just try and show you. I don't know if the light is too. I think you can see. Have been working on the edge there with my edging tool, and I've moved some of the soil over to the path, what will be the path. But here, just move. So I'm just going to cut these away because I think they kind of go that way, like there, and that's where they would have had a raised bed. But this is going to be part path, and I'll probably come across plastic when I make a new bed going along there, because there's more. Oops, more plastic here, but only there. The rest, this is all clear, which is good. Yeah, so I've got the cardboard to create this path in a bit. Just kind of, I'm going to be finishing the edging with my edging tool, doing a final weeding. But I might start making the path first, because then when I'm kneeling down, I'm not kneeling anywhere near any mud. So let's do the edging along here, path, then yeah, weeding, and then adding some manure. Well, it's well rotted, that over there. There's my cardboard there, if you can see that. Oh, I tell you what I did see this morning, which was absolutely lovely. Hold on, let me put you back down. I saw a hot air balloon. I know that sounds relatively unremarkable depending on where you live, and you might see them a lot. But that's the first time I've ever all the time I've lived here, it's the first time I've ever seen one. I'll try and slot it in here, because I did film it quickly, because they're just so peaceful. I'm really scared of heights. I'd never go up in one, but you know, they look grand, they really do. And I used to live near Wiltshire, well, sort of on the Berkshire-Wiltshire border, and you used to see them all the time. They were frequent sight. But here, I just, for some reason, well, I mean, I'm sure they happen. I just haven't seen them. Yeah, I'll slot it in there, see if you can see it. Maybe while I was talking, I don't know. Oh, falling back into the bed. Right, let's crack on. Finish this bed. Get really. Oh, this is what I wanted. Oh my God, my brain. Some lettuce seeds. I did go to B&Q because I always happened to be nearby. These were they £3.20? I mean, really expensive. But they were reduced to half price. And I also bought some Premier from Premier Seeds Direct, which should have arrived today. So that's good. So I want to grow a lot of lettuce, and I also have sluggo. Do you remember when we were talking about slug pellets and all that? Not that I've actually seen very much in the way of snails and slugs here yet. I'm sure they're about. That'll be interesting to see if we, yeah. Whereas the allotment seemed overrun. Yeah. Right, let's crack on. Oops. See you in a bit. Oh, we're blooming now. Oh God. I'm in the shade, but it's heating up. And what is the time? Sorry, bear with. 9:15 in the morning. So I started at just around 8:30. But I hope you can see that. Yeah, I mean, I've mixed in some of that farmyard manure, bought stuff, sort of really dug it in. I'm now going to do sticks one side and the other to create the line, 2 lines. Or maybe 3 for lettuce, but I won't sow the whole bed because obviously I don't want to have a glut. So I'll do the lines, but succession sow, yeah. Right, let's get cracking and start doing that, getting the sticks in and the string. See you in a bit. There's Rosie. Oh, well, he was relaxing. Where do you need to get up for? No. You like to be on camera? Right, wow. I can't believe it, but I've sown my first seeds. Rosie, up. So on this side is like butterhead lettuce, and on that side is rocket. I ended up just doing the 1 string. I'll do more later, but Rosie, come on. I was wondering, do you put your sluggo pellets or whatever you use now or in a week's time, say? Yeah, well, let me know, because I've never used pellets before, so I'm not sure when to put them down. I've watered it initially before I covered them, but I'm going to come back later and water them. But I'm pretty pleased. Oops, excuse me, hold up. That's the amount of plastic I took out, and it's really nice to have that first path. So next time I'll start working on this bed, but I'll be moving all this stuff to the side. The bin will be emptied soon, so I'll be able to get rid of that and start digging the next bed. So it'll be bed, path, pond here. Someone, very thank you for that, but you said this is oregano, that kind of like light green, which is brilliant. So I'm going to dig that up and move it, because this is where the pond's going to go in a kind of rectangle style, so I can sort of walk around it more towards where the grass is, really, because there's quite a lot of space, especially when I cut back the raspberries here. There you go, here she is, madam, as we call her sometimes. Oh wow. Oh, thanks so much. Look at me, look at the state of this. Honestly, I get red so easily, it's hideous. Scottish skin, that's what that is. I blame my dad. So the balloon was in this sky here, this really early this morning. It was absolutely fabulous. Oh, you would have seen it. Oh my gosh, my brain. Right, I better go, have some water, cool down, and I'll be going to work. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, it's bright light, isn't it? Say goodbye, Rosie. Goodbye. Take care, everybody. See you on the next one. Where is she? Bye. From us to you.